Hello everyone again. In this tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to clear background noise in DaVinci Resolve. First step, click the Fairlight icon in the menu below. Next step, drag and drop your audio file onto the timeline. Then, click the Mixer tab in the upper right corner. Now, click the plus button next to Effects. However, you must click the Effect button for the channel where your audio file is located. Since my audio recording is in the Audio 1 timeline, I'm clicking the plus button next to the effect in Audio 1. Next, hover your mouse cursor over Restoration and select Noise Reduction from the newly opened window. First, make sure Noise Reduction is enabled. Then, check the Auto Speech Mode box. Now the background noise in your audio file will be reduced as much as possible. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to clear background noise in DaVinci Resolve has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.